What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to mine Shiba coin through Hive on your CPUs. So this information can be taken and applied in other ways, so like how to do it on GPUs and stuff. But today we're specifically talking about CPUs on Hive. And the reason why I'm talking about that is because a lot of the times I don't mine on the CPUs on my mining rigs on Hive. But right now, Shiba's relatively low price-wise. They've added it to a couple exchanges. It's on Binance US, it's on Coinbase Pro. So you could potentially stack up a couple of them and not really impact your power very much, and do it on a rig that's already mining on the graphics cards, and keep your graphics cards mining the good stuff, some Ethereum, Ravencoin, all that kind of stuff. So let me roll through it, and I'm going to do it with you guys, so just so you can see everything. And yeah, it's going to be a good time. So obviously the first thing is you're going to need to go to your Hive. If you don't have Hive or don't know what Hive is, a how to mine on Hive video is going to be down below in the description. And then you're going to need to go to flight sheets. So once you get to flight sheets, I'm going to provide you with everything down below in the description, so you won't even actually have to go to Unminable until you're ready to see your outputs. So the coin you're going to do is XMR. All right, so once you get to this point, you're going to need to find your flight sheet that you're currently using on your mining rig. For example, say if I was using this one right here, blah, 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 blah. Let's do ETH Doge. I would edit this. I'm going to use an old one that I'm not using anymore. So this is my setup for the flight sheet. I'm mining Ethereum. The wallet is ETH Doge. Pool is configured in miner, and miner is NB miner. So that's for your GPUs. So the next thing you're going to do is click Add Miner. So this is a second miner here. The coin is going to be XMR because we're mining Monero on our CPU. Okay. Then your wallet is, you're going to need to add a wallet. And when you add that wallet, I want to show you how it's actually laid out. Hold on. Let me open it up in another Hive screen here. Go back in here. We're going to go to wallets, and then we go to XMR. So the way the wallet is actually oriented is SHIB, or SHIB in capital letters, colon. Is that semicolon or colon? Hold on. Semicolon. Which one's that's a semicolon? Okay, so it's a colon, not a semicolon. Sorry about that. I don't math very well. So SHIB, SHIB, all capitals, semicolon, and then you drop your Shiba address in here. I am currently mining to my Coinbase Pro wallet. To get that, you just log into Coinbase Pro. If you don't have a Coinbase Pro account, but you do have a Coinbase account, then you have a Coinbase Pro account. If you don't have a Coinbase account, then that means you don't have a Coinbase Pro account, because it's the same account. Log into Coinbase Pro, go to Portfolio, then go to Balances, Shiba, click Deposit, and then that'll give you a Shiba address, and that's what I am currently mining to. So you set this wallet up, Monero, SHIB, colon, then your Shiba address. You hit save. Then you'll need to go back to over here. You're going to click wallet. It's going to be Shiba. Then for the pool, okay, we're going to configure that in miner. Okay, configure in miner. You need to remember that. Then you drop this down, and I use XMR rig new. There it is. So XMR rig new. Here we are back. Sorry about that, guys. XMR rig new, and then you click setup miner config. It's right there. Then it'll bring up this screen right here, the pool URL. This is how you need to enter it in. So I will copy this and paste it down below. So all you have to do is paste it in there. rx.unminable.com:3333. The password's X. CPU, huge pages 1248. I don't know exactly what that is, but recommended value is 1248. Then you click on for CPU and make sure OpenCL, CUDA, and TLS is off. So that means it won't try to do it on your graphics cards and that kind of thing. It'll only do it on your CPU. Then you hit apply changes. Then you go back to your actual this area right here, and then you click update. When you update that, everything that's running that initial flight sheet will then change, and then it will look something like this. Let me go to a rig that's actually running both of them. So it'll look something like this. This rig is mining on the GPUs and also the CPU. That CPU is actually a little warm, 73 degrees. It's mining Shiba through the custom pool. It's getting 1.53 kilohash on XMR rig, and it's mining my Ethereum at 233 megahash. Now, if you want to see how your Shiba's doing, all you need to do is grab your Shiba address, which, let me go back and go to my wallets, and then I go to XMR. Let me grab this address, copy that, and then we're going to go over to unminable.com, click on Shiba, and then enter your address right here, paste, click that, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. I have mined 861 Shiba in the course of, like, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes. I have 3 machines on it. One of them was a Celeron, the other one is like an old i5, and then the ROG pre-built is actually a newer i7. So obviously the better CPU you have, the more you can mine. But I mean, I'm just gonna let it do its thing and accumulate over time. The auto payout is every 12 hours when you hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 million Shiba. So that sounds like a lot, but at the moment, Shiba price, go on to coin market cap. We'll go to calculate, copy this, paste it in there, times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 million. So it looks like the auto payout is every $15. That's higher than what I thought it was. But still not the end of the world. Your CPUs potentially weren't doing anything for you anyways. So if you weren't doing anything, then you can maybe make you some Shiba. Now, if you're interested in doing this same method, but going with any other coin, you can go on to unminable.com, and basically instead of changing it to the pool for SHIB, and then SHIB in the beginning of your Shiba address for your wallet, you would just click on something else. You'd have a Bitcoin Cash address. You click on RandomX. There's the pool for the RandomX server. It's actually like super simple. So put those unused CPUs to work. Get them making a little bit of money, whether it's Algorand, Cosmos, Shiba, anything. Make them. They got to make that money. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I want to wish everybody a great night. Hopefully you guys are mining as much as you can, and other than that, yeah. I did not mean to do that. Hold on. There we are. That's what I meant to go to. So I have been cleaning up. I do have another test rig right here. That's another H110 Pro. That's the video that's going to be coming out tomorrow. Got a lot of the GPU clips. So if you're looking for those, link is down below in the description. He's actually sending me some more out. GadCAD. Haven't had any issues with them. People were asking me in the background. I did get a 3D printer, and old GadCAD has actually been helping me out with a couple settings. So props to you, bro. Thank you. Much appreciated. But yeah, other than that, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to expand. If you're not mining, I don't know what you're doing. And if you're not expanding, I'm sorry, bro. Just keep looking, hunting. There's deals out there. You just got to find them. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, have a good night. Peace out. We'll see you on the next one. Adios.